Are they dropping all this heat for Kobe's Day? I honestly don't know, but we gotta talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. You guys already know, I try to bring you guys as much information as I can. A lot of this stuff is rumors and a lot of stuff does end up being confirmed because I follow a bunch of different discords. So I'm going to throw that disclaimer out there right now before we even hop into the full meat and potatoes, this whole Kobe Day thing that we are hearing about this upcoming Thursday. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel, and please leave a huge like on today's video. And if this does end up happening, you feel me, it'd be lovely if we got this video up to 800 likes, but it's really up in the air right now. It's really up in the air. A lot of people saying it's happening, a lot of people saying they don't know, and it's not anybody saying it's definitely not happening at all as far as reliable sources, man. So like I said, sub up, hit the notification bell, and smack the like button. ASAP rocket for your boy, The Vintage. All right, guys, so man, I was scrolling on Twitter, scrolling on Instagram, and I, you know, saying stop by Drops by Leo Instagram page, and then I seen this right here. Go ahead and check it out. I'm trying to brighten this down real quick. I seen a bunch of Kobe's, bro, just a bunch of Kobe's on their page, and I said, bro, there's no way they dropping all this heat. There's no way they dropping all this heat for Kobe's Day. And a lot of people in the comments saying that it is happening. A lot of people saying they got this information from somebody else. And there's also some people down there, of course, are saying it ain't happening because it is a lot of heat that they are dropping. You got the Kobe 6 Grinches, you got the Kobe Hall of Fame undefeated joints, you got the GG joints. You got a bunch of heat. It's 4 different sneakers. Put a picture up right here so you guys can see everything they are showing. But it's not looking like it's gonna be something that a lot of people are able to get. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's gonna be a worldwide like sneakers, you know, restock. It might be like a sneakers pass somewhere. They usually do a sneaker passes in like the hot cities like Atlanta or LA. And I'm 99.9% sure if they even do drop these 4 sneakers, it will be strictly for LA, like a sneakers pass joint to where you can reserve it, pick it up from wherever they are selling the sneaker from. But as far as like a whole worldwide, you know, or US wide sneakers restock, I don't see it happening. You got the Grinches on there. You got the, like I said, the GGs. It just highly, it's not really looking promising, if that makes sense. Like I said, if they do drop it, I don't see everybody getting W's. It's gonna be a lot of people saying they got L's because I really think that's gonna be a sneaker pass, if anything, man. But of course, like I said, this upcoming Thursday, 8/24, Kobe's Day, we should see, I would say we will see something because it is, you know, 8/24, Kobe's Day and all that good stuff. Hopefully we do see something for the entire US, even the UK, you know what I'm saying? Show some love over there in the EU. Hopefully they're getting a restock as well for a pair of Kobe's. And if I had to pick any of the sneakers that are on this little list that we showed you guys today, it'd have to be the Kobe 6 Grinches. I've been wanting a pair for a very, very long time. Always want to hoop in a pair. I feel like I'm busting down and get a dope fit out of them as well. But I guess we'll never know because I have not paid $700. Man, I checked the resale value on a pair of Kobe 6 Grinches and they said the size 9 is going for $680, $690 bucks. That's like $750 after taxes and fees. I'm like, bruh, I can't do it. I can't do it. So hopefully, like I said, I hit on a restock, a shock drop, or something like that for a pair of Kobe 6 Grinches, man. If you guys let me know real quick down below if you have any pair of these Kobe's you guys see on the screen right here in your collection. I know all of them are super hype. It's probably super hard to obtain most of these sneakers, but I did check the Hall of Fame Kobe undefeateds and they weren't going for as much, only like 300 bucks. So probably more one of the easier ones to grab off this list right here. But as far as the other 3, you guys let me know if you have them in your collection. If you got a size 9, go ahead and hit your boy The Vintage up, man. If you guys did not know, man, I was in SneakerCon ATL. It was so crazy. So many people pulled up to your boy. I got a lot of footage out there, but I came at the end of the video and the music that they're playing in SneakerCon ATL was just way too loud. Like it would be a copyright after copyright after copyright. But maybe I drop a video or something like that to where you guys can see the B-roll and everything like that. Maybe like a short little montage of the whole SneakerCon Atlanta trip that I did do with a homie. He got kicks. Ran to a lot of dope people. Finally met Mike Rich. That was super dope. If you guys don't know, I started YouTube because I started watching Mike Rich first, you know what I'm saying, seeing him unbox sneakers, talk about sneakers, and then that heavily influenced me to actually get in front of a camera and talk about sneakers as well. So that was super, super dope moment for your boy, The Vintage. But I did pick up a pair of sneakers, I guess you could say. I don't even know what to call these things. Got a pair of Yeezys. You guys see the all brown box right here. You got nothing branded over here. I think you do have Adidas at the bottom, so I kind of just gave it away. But check it out, 3, 2, 1, and bam, man, your boy got a pair of foam runners. It was well overdue. You can ask anybody. I've been wanting a pair of foam runners for a very, very long time, and I happened to get the, I guess the most, or the easiest one to rock, all black. I think this is an Onyx. I don't think they're calling it black. Foam runners, who knows? It'll be got the foam on the inside of the box and runner on the bottom right there. And bro, I just had to get them. Had to have them. I wasn't even about to buy anything at SNKRS Atlanta, and then I seen these bad boys. I said, you know what? I can't beat it. I think I've only paid $120 or $140. I don't even know what they're going for. I was like, hey, had some extra cash. I was like, hey, let me go ahead and cash you out real quick. And now we have finally a pair of foam runners in the collection, bro. Definitely gotta get some dope fits out of these bad boys right here, man. And I also picked up this t-shirt right here. You guys see, you got Michael Jordan on the front right here, and on the back, go ahead and check it out. You got a bunch of his defining sneakers, I guess you could say. I think it's called like the defining sneaker moments or something like that. And then I also picked up this Sade tee, man. A lot of people don't know who Sade is. Go ahead and check it out. I really like this one. I don't know what sneakers I'm gonna wear this with, but I'm pretty sure I got something to go with this dope Sade tee. I picked this up from some vendor, I don't remember, but this is, you know what I'm saying, my pickups from Sneaker Con ATL, man. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all of the support. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this Kobe's Day restock or sneaker pass that we might see. All the information I can push out to you guys via Twitter. I might not get up on YouTube fast enough to tell you guys about the exact times, dates, what's gonna happen. Of course, you guys know the date, 8/24, but if you know the times, it's gonna be a restock. There's gonna be a sneakers pass, it's gonna be a shock drop. I do not know, but there's just rumors out there that I wouldn't, you know what I'm saying, overlook, because we could potentially see something for Kobe Day 8/24. I don't think it's gonna be easily accessible to the general public. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. So go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, leave a huge like on today's video, and go ahead and drop some fire emojis down below. Hopefully we get some heat for this upcoming Thursday. Kobe Day will be dope. I want a pair of Kobe Grinches. You guys already know how I feel about them, so we shall see what happens, man. Again, I appreciate all of the support. Again, thank y'all for tuning in. And with all this being said, your boy The Vintage, gonna catch y'all in next video, man. Peace. Martin, you know what I'm saying? KFIS Martin that pulled up. I was chopping up with Mac Rich for a little minute, and I seen my boy, and I got starstruck, you feel me? Make sure y'all go tap into KFYS Sneaker Convention in Detroit. What day?
Detroit. September 9th, Detroit. Orlando, October 29th.
Make sure y'all pull up, man.